Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Milwaukee 273820 M18 18-volt fuel lithium-ion brushless cordless 7-inch variable speed polisher. This powerful tool is designed to deliver corded performance with its power, performance, and run time. It allows users to power through the most demanding applications, making it the perfect choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its brushless motor and variable speed control, the Milwaukee polisher provides precise and efficient polishing, giving you professional-level results every time. And since it's cordless, you'll enjoy the freedom of movement and convenience of not being tethered to an outlet. So, if you're ready to take your polishing game to the next level, be sure to check out the Milwaukee 273820 M18 18-volt fuel lithium-ion brushless cordless 7-inch variable speed polisher. You can find the link to purchase in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy polishing.